Imagine a solar panel that, cleans itself while producing energy. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, and your rooftop solar panels are already sparkling clean, ready to soak up the sun's rays at maximum efficiency. No more climbing up ladders, no more hiring expensive cleaning crews, and no more worrying about dust, bird droppings, or pollen blocking your panels and reducing your energy output. Instead, a smart, automated system quietly gets to work, sweeping away dirt and debris, rain or shine, all year round. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now, and it's changing the way we think about solar power. From Israel to Belgium, the United States to India, self-cleaning solar panels are transforming renewable energy worldwide. In places where water is scarce or labor costs are high, these innovative panels are making solar energy more practical and affordable than ever before. Imagine vast solar farms in the deserts of Israel, where sandstorms used to mean hours of lost productivity, now staying clean and efficient thanks to robotic cleaners. Or think about the humid climates of India, where dust and pollution once threatened to choke solar output. But now, automated systems keep the panels spotless and the energy flowing. This technology is not just for massive installations. Homeowners and small businesses are starting to benefit too, as self-cleaning solutions become more accessible and affordable. Today, we'll explore how this cutting-edge technology works, the companies behind it, and why it's a real game-changer for the future of solar power. We'll dive into the science behind self-cleaning coatings, the robotics that make it all possible, and the real-world impact these innovations are having on energy production and sustainability. Whether you're a homeowner, a business owner, or just someone curious about the future of clean energy, you'll want to see how self-cleaning solar panels are making solar power smarter, more reliable, and more efficient than ever before. Solar panels lose efficiency when they're covered with dust, dirt, or even bird droppings. Studies show that dirty panels can reduce energy output by up to 30%. Cleaning manually is costly, labor-intensive, and often requires water, something that's, well, pretty scarce in a lot of regions. Self-cleaning solar panels use advanced robotics, AI, or waterless systems to remove dirt automatically. Companies like Ecoppia in Israel deploy autonomous robots that clean panels overnight using no water at all. SolarCleano in Belgium makes lightweight, battery-powered robots that work with both rooftop and utility-scale solar installations. Around the world, the demand for clean, efficient, and low-maintenance solar energy is driving a wave of innovation. In the United States, RST CleanTech is at the forefront of this movement with their Nightwash trademark system, a fully automated solution that's changing the way solar panels are maintained. Nightwash trademark operates seamlessly after sunset, using advanced robotics to clean solar panels without the need for manual labor. What sets this system apart is its integration with a user-friendly mobile app, allowing operators to monitor and control the cleaning process remotely anytime and anywhere. This not only saves time and reduces operational costs, but also ensures that solar panels are always performing at their peak, even in challenging environments where dust and debris can quickly accumulate. Nightwash trademark is especially ideal for those massive solar farms that stretch across acres of land. These large-scale installations are critical for meeting renewable energy targets, but keeping them clean has always been a logistical challenge. With automated cleaning, operators can maintain thousands of panels efficiently, maximizing energy output and minimizing downtime. The result is a more reliable and sustainable source of power for communities and businesses alike. Meanwhile, in Germany, Müller Solar is pioneering robotic cleaning solutions tailored for both commercial rooftops and innovative floating solar installations. Their advanced robots are designed to navigate complex panel layouts, including those installed on water bodies, where traditional cleaning methods simply aren't practical. By automating the cleaning process, Müller Solar helps ensure that even the most challenging solar arrays remain free of dirt and grime, delivering consistent energy production year-round. These groundbreaking innovations from RST CleanTech and Müller Solar are proving that self-cleaning solar panels are no longer just a futuristic concept. They are real, scalable, and highly efficient solutions that are transforming the solar industry. By embracing automation and smart technology, global leaders are making solar power more accessible, reliable, and sustainable for everyone. So, self-cleaning panels deliver multiple benefits. They boost energy efficiency and output, reduce maintenance costs, and extend panel lifespan. Plus, they minimize water consumption, which is, crucial in arid regions. All these advantages make them highly attractive for both large-scale solar farms and urban solar rooftops. Across the globe, innovative technologies are transforming the way we maintain solar energy systems, and nowhere is this more evident than in India. Here, a new wave of startups is harnessing the power of drones to revolutionize solar panel cleaning. These drones, equipped with advanced sensors and waterless cleaning systems, can clean a 1-megawatt solar plant in just 30 minutes, a task that would have taken a team of workers several hours, if not an entire day, using traditional methods. The drones glide effortlessly over vast solar farms, reaching panels that are difficult or even dangerous for humans to access. This not only boosts efficiency but also significantly reduces the risk of workplace accidents. By automating the cleaning process, these startups are helping solar plants maintain peak performance, ensuring that every ray of sunlight is converted into clean, renewable energy. The impact is especially profound in a country like India, where dust and pollution can quickly reduce the efficiency of solar panels. With these drone solutions, operators are seeing a marked improvement in energy output and a reduction in maintenance costs, making solar power more viable and sustainable than ever before. Meanwhile, in the arid deserts of Israel, where dust storms are a constant challenge, Ecoppia's cutting-edge robots are hard at work. These fully autonomous machines operate day and night, using soft microfiber brushes and air blowers to gently remove dust and debris from the panels without the need for water, a precious resource in this region. By keeping the panels clean, Ecoppia's robots help some of the world's largest solar farms maintain optimal energy production, even in the harshest conditions. The robots are designed to withstand extreme temperatures and require minimal human intervention, allowing operators to focus on other critical tasks. This technology not only ensures a steady supply of renewable energy, but also supports Israel's ambitious goals for sustainability and energy independence. The success of these robotic systems is inspiring other countries with similar climates to adopt automated solutions for their own solar farms. And in Europe, where environmental regulations and labor costs are driving innovation, solar farms are turning to advanced automated cleaning systems from companies like SolarCleano and Müller Solar. These robots are designed to operate efficiently in a variety of weather conditions, from rainy northern climates to the sunnier south. By automating the cleaning process, European operators are able to significantly reduce both labor requirements and water usage, making solar energy even more sustainable. The robots can be programmed to clean at optimal times, ensuring that panels are always operating at maximum efficiency. This not only helps to lower operational costs, but also supports Europe's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. As these real-world success stories show, the future of solar panel maintenance is automated, efficient, and environmentally friendly, paving the way for a cleaner, greener planet. As solar power becomes a cornerstone of global energy, self-cleaning technology is making sure panels stay efficient, sustainable, and low maintenance. Countries all over the world are adopting these solutions to get the most out of renewable energy and meet their climate goals. Self-cleaning solar panels aren't science fiction. They're already here, improving efficiency and sustainability around the globe. If you want more insights into renewable energy innovations, go ahead and subscribe now, and click that bell icon for updates.